Ciao friends, welcome to Simple Italian Cooking. This is Liz and I have a different type of video I'm doing today, and I am reviewing a product. You may have seen it before, advertised, or I may have had it on my site as a fun gadget gift. And this is a clip-on pasta strainer, and it's pretty cool. And so I thought I thought it was a cool idea, so I decided to buy one and to see how they really work. So a lot of times when I'm doing my pasta straining, if it's a real heavy pan, I end up like kind of straining my wrist a little. I burn my hands because it splashes, and so I wanted to know, will this really kind of take care of those issues for me? And so I did some testing. So what I did was I cooked a bunch of pasta, and I tried it in different size saucepans to see how it would work and how it works. And I have to say, on a scale of 1 to 10, I was really impressed. It was probably about 8.5 or 9. But basically the premise of how it works is that it clips onto the inside of the pan. And I'm going to make sure that this part is on the inside. Otherwise, if it's on the outside, the water's just going to run down the outside. So you don't want that. So you got to be on the inside. Very easy. And then what happens is you just simply pour it into the sink. I'm holding it this way, and it holds the contents in and lets the water out. So my question was, well, do you need to buy different sizes and so forth? And the answer is no. So you can see here, let me get a small pan, okay, and same exact concept. You just simply, you can kind of bunch it up, but you got to make sure that, again, it's able to fit on the inside. So. And again, I was able to strain it. So pretty cool. And then you can adjust it if you don't like it. Taking it off, if you have a lip, it is a little bit, you kind of have to wiggle it. So you can see I am here. But it does come off. And it's fine. It worked really well, as you can see. Like I said, it is silicone, so it's easy to clean, but it's also very, very flexible. And because it's flexible, you can put it in a drawer, and it can fit right in wherever you want it. It can fit between a few different things. Squeeze it in there, and it shuts. And it can pop out because there's no way to keep it shut. So it would be nice if they had like a little magnet or something that it could kind of keep it, but that's all right. I have a lot of stuff in my junk drawer. Let me see if I actually make a space here so it actually fits. Take this out. Okay, so if you're able to put it all the way down, it's able to fit into a standard sliding drawer. That I'm not too crazy about. So obviously, being silicone, it is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about it melting. You can put it in the dishwasher, no issue, just throw it in. I put it on the top. Works for different sizes. Oh, and I did also do a very large pot. Let me get it here. So even a pot like this, if you're making a big batch of pasta, even lasagna noodles, it fits even this size. And then you can go ahead and pour it out. And that works very well. So I was pleased to see that. And you can see, you get used to it. You just have to think about the direction that you're going to pour it in is where you're going to put this on, and it'll work just fine. That's really how easy this is. I would recommend it. I think it actually makes a really good gift, kind of like a gadgety gift. And I'll probably be using it in my videos because that way I don't have to do it the old way where I was kind of resting the strainer on and then pouring with my right hand, hoping that nothing would splash and burn my arm or my hand. Just do it real slow, be careful, or you don't have to worry about using a separate strainer to put in the sink and make sure nothing gets splashed in it, and you have to be careful with that. So this really does address some of those issues if you're a bit picky like I am. Otherwise, if you're happy just using a regular strainer, then you may not need it. But if you are looking for something that's a little bit more flexible in terms of being able to use for different sizes, you know, or as a gift, I think it's a good choice. I'll put the link below if you want to check it out on Amazon and see what you think. Well, thanks for watching. Grazie. See you on the next one. Ciao.